Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bakran Kundalik, Club Secretary of Rotary E Club 1. Today I am presenting one activity of my company, which is known as MPFC Udyog Nidhi Limited. Through this company, I sponsored a self-help group, a microfinance activity wherein various women entrepreneurs come together and promote their products individually, also as collectively. They are selling the products in India, and also they are very keen to sell this product out of India in European market, also as in US and Canadian market. One of the products which I have promoting on their behalf is known as a curcumin extract. This is a product which is highly beneficial to enhance the immunity, and it is useful for all the age group of people from age 6 to age 80. So I will be requesting each of the member to introduce themselves and promote their products. The information what they are providing will be in English, and it will be for all the products which are ranging from the food products, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, and other domestic products. I request you to please let me know if you require any kind of these activities, any kind of these products, and I will be more than happy to provide you the further information. Thank you. So I will invite all the members to present their products one after another. Thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Ajita Ghurgaonkar. I am dealing in Vestige products. In this pandemic situation, we guys require number of health supplements and immunity boosters. Let us look some health supplements and immunity boosters. This is flax oil. Flaxseed helps to maintain a healthy cholesterol and it regulates high BP. It contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which helps to improve your memory and concentration. Next one is Curcumin Plus. It has multiple potential health benefits. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to support chemotherapy and protect healthy cells from damage. Next one is Ganoderma. It is a type of mushroom that contains effective antioxidants which help in strengthening the immune system and detoxifying the body. Last one is spirulina. It is a natural algae powder that is high in protein, good source of antioxidants, all types of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and it also contains natural iron. All these health supplements has shelf life of more than 2 years. So guys, stay healthy, stay connected. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anuja Vaidya. My company name is Fosi Factory. We are dealing into healthy bakery products. Some products I'm introducing now. This is ragi cookies. It helps you to regulate your blood sugar and loaded with calcium and iron. Second one is jawar, that is sorghum naan khatai. This one is whole wheat dry fruit naan khatai, cardamom whole wheat naan khatai, coconut whole wheat naan khatai, and chocolate whole wheat naan khatai. These are some products. It has shelf life of 2 to 3 months. Thank you so much once again, Anuja Vaidya from Fosi Factory.
Hello everyone, my name is Janhavi Mokashi. I am brand partner of Oriflame as well as a proud member of Vestige. The Oriflame company deals in beauty products, fragrances and food supplements, and Vestige deals in also food supplements. Today I am explaining about a food supplement omega-3 capsules by Oriflame and Amla and aloe vera tablets by Vestige. Omega-3, a daily food supplement made with fish oil that provides the body with the essential fatty acid it needs to help support our health and well-being. Oriflame Omega-3 is developed with omega-3 rich fish oil that has been derived from sustainable fish stock and fishing practice. This fish oil capsule provide the essential fatty acid EPA and DHA and are vital for heart, vision and brain health. About Vestige aloe vera capsule, aloe vera is plant with proven healing and soothing properties. It contains more than 20 essential amino acids and vital minerals which helps in digestion, skin disorder and suitable for hair related problems. Amla. Amla is Indian gooseberry. Amla has been known for its medical benefits for more than 3,000 years in Ayurveda and respected as symbol of good health. It is rich source of vitamin C, which helps in improving body's immune system. Thank you.
Hello, hello everyone. Myself Aarti Joshi. My company name is Aarti Gruha Udyog. I deal in various type of laddus such as semolina coconut laddus. Ingredients are semolina, coconut, sugar, and pure cow ghee. Second one is whole wheat jaggery laddu. Ingredients are whole wheat flour, jaggery, pure cow ghee. And third one is edible gum laddus. These are Indian testimonial laddus, beneficial in winters to increase body heat. Ingredients are edible gum, dry dates powder, water chestnut powder, and jaggery. Fourth one is fenugreek seeds laddu. Ingredients are fenugreek seeds powder, dry dates powder, desiccated coconut powder, whole wheat flour, and jaggery. And last and fifth is dates and dry fruits laddus. Ingredients are dates, raisins, walnut, pistachio, and almonds. In this COVID situation, we need to improve our immune system. These laddus are help to improve your immune system and boost your energy level. Thank you once again, Aarti Joshi.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai Fase. My company name is Sai's Dry Fruit Stores. As we all know, dry fruits are very essential part of our diet as it contains large number of nutrients. So in our dry fruit stores, we provide variety of dry fruits. Today I am going to introduce some of them. The first one we have almonds. Now, as we all know, almonds are rich in antioxidants and they are having a zero cholesterol. Besides that, almonds are very useful for our skin, hair, and teeth also. Second bracket, what we have is cashews. Now, cashews are loaded with health benefits and they are rich source of vitamin E, and B6. Plus, cashews are also used in various food preparations, as they give rich flavor and texture to food. The next one, what we have are walnuts. Walnuts are extremely nutritious. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fibers, proteins, vitamins. Then we have raisins. Black raisins are made up of dehydrated grapes, and they are very good. They are beneficial for acidity problem, and they purify your blood. And the last one we have dates. Black dates are can be consumed on their own also, and they are used in different kind of sweet and savory preparations. Black dates have their natural sugars. So if you want to start your day with a good healthy diet, you can always have a dry fruit. We can provide you. Once again, Sai's Dry Fruit Store, Sai Fancy. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Have a very good day to everyone. My name is Kashmira Deshpande, and I deal in preparation of papads, or as you call it as crackers. In India, mostly we call it as papads. Papads have been an integral part of Indian meals, and they are mostly prepared from lentils, cereals, and grains. And they are a good example of wholesome nutrition along with great crunch and taste. So today I'm going to introduce you to some papad preparations that we make here. This is an interesting type of cracker, as we can see. These we can call as string crackers, which are made out of whole wheat starch. And they give you the goodness of vitamin E. They are totally packed with vitamin E. The next thing that I'm going to show you are finger millet or ragi crackers or papad. They're again a wholesome, they are very much loaded with iron and calcium, minerals like iron and calcium, which need to boost your immunity. And finger millet is again a superfood. Now the third thing that I'm going to show you is sorghum crackers or sorghum papads. These are again a very good source of vitamins. Here I have another product which is made out of mixed lentils, black lentils, yellow lentils, and chickpeas and etc., which are ground to a paste and then sun dried. With these things are used in preparation of various types of curries. The next product that I'm going to show you is about tapioca crackers. These also add a very good crunch to your meal. I have another variety of crackers again. They are in the form of a chakli or a spiral, as we can see. These come in two variants. These are prepared with the help of tapioca and potato. We have here a variation in this. One is prepared with the help of red chili powder is added to it. It's not very chili. And the second one that I'm showing you here is a combination of tapioca, potatoes, and green chilies. So these are my products. So add a crunch to your daily meals with these variety of papads or crackers, as you call it, along with wholesome nutrition. Thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Sheetal Ranade. My company name is Gadre Tea Company. Obviously, I am dealing in the trading of tea powder. Tea is an aromatic beverage which is consumed all over the world with or without milk. There are many different types of tea. Today, I am presenting one of those, that is tea cup. which is premium tea with natural and authentic taste to delight your palate. The tea is from Assam, which is very well known for its tea gardens. Teacup is a product of Gadre Tea Company. As we can see the logo on top, Gadre Tea Company came into existence in the year 2000. The company is in wholesaling, retailing, and also in exports. Teacup strives to give you the perfect blend as the company goes a long way to arrive at the final product. The good quality tea is added to the blend so you can get your tea as a mixture of the best buys from the gardens. There is no compromise with the quality of the product. Talking about its price, it's cost effective. The shelf life of this product is 12 months, that is 1 year. So if you are passionate about tea, definitely try this product, that is Teacup. As it is rightly said, life is a cup of tea to be filled to the brim and enjoyed. So start your day with a cup of tea or Teacup. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ladies, for your all wonderful presentation. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am signing in again, Makaran Pundalik from Rotary E Club 1, District 5450. As I mentioned earlier, these are the activities of my self-help group, which is sponsored by my finance company, MPFC Udyog Nidhi Limited. The name of this self-help group is known as Udyog Sarita. Basically, the name is in local language. The meaning of name is Udyog means the entrepreneurship and Sarita means river. So the entrepreneurship which flows through our city, our state, our country is also are very keen to promote the products outside India in European market as well as in US and Canadian market. So these all are entrepreneurs who have a very good experience. The products what they are making they are very good. The products which they are trading are also of very good quality. So definitely I would love to have more information. Please contact me. I will share my email ID along with this video. So thank you very much for your attention. Here signing off, Rotary and Makaran Pundalik, Club Secretary, Rotary E Club 1, District 540. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Thank you.